Welcome to another short and sweet lesson. This lesson will be about writing a lab report using the preach format, so submissions in science class at West Wendover High School, or for submissions. Please notice the science lab report requirements on the screen. Now notice the rubric or marking standard page, which I'll also expand on the computer screen, and we'll scroll for those who have forgotten the scale. Now create a starting place template if you've not done so. This way you can use it in the future to get a jump on your next lab report. How to do calculation percent errors, since you're always doing one of those at some point. Now you will notice that I have taken the computer version of the instructions and cut and pasted the parts of it into the correct places, so I don't have to type the same things over and over, because most lab reports are going to come with an electronic version that you can do this with. When you have to write your own lab report, you're going to have to, or create your own lab, you're going to have to make sure that you do the cookbook step-by-step procedure part very carefully. Now you can just answer the questions and do the calculations. Notice the raw pages that I have presented here, as the first data set is different. I'm showing some items for you normally do not see, since they are what you are to calculate. But with that said, from the distance column, you can see where to start your time and when to end it for each section. Then you do the calculation of change in distance divided by change in time. Now you can do the same thing on change in velocity divided by change in time for the acceleration. Now comes the results, which require that I look at the hypothesis, which I said, our student Ben Dan said. He believed that Wendover's acceleration due to gravity will be within 5% of the predicted amount. I see it is so the conclusion is confirmed for you Mythbuster fans. Now comes the evaluation part of the experiment, which is where you discuss what can be done to make the next time you do the experiment a better one. More repetitions, less time, and less items open at a time on the computer to avoid timing errors. The reality is the data is very nice and about as perfect and as accurate as you can get in the real world.